Hi, this is Martin from the PulseShift team. I would like to showcase how we can help your organizational transformation succeed by providing insights right when you plan your next move, evaluate the impact of what you are doing, and directly help employees take their next steps. So let's see how this looks like in action. In the following example, an insurance company attempts to move their entire sales landscape to the next level, redefining IT systems, processes, and roles. Since this initiative is highly critical for the company's future, the success of Horizon 2020 cannot be left to chance. Therefore, PulseShift has been tasked to monitor how the transformation activities are perceived by employees, creating the much-needed transparency for the project team to act on. We specifically designed the feedback dialogue that each individual is only asked very few questions. The system makes sure that there are enough data points for all of the metrics that we would like to measure. Now, as we have reached the end of the feedback stack, the PulseShift system will analyze the data to pinpoint areas to focus on for the transformation team. However, for us, feedback isn't a one-sided transaction. Therefore, the data will also be used to identify the information need of particular employee groups, allowing us to recommend follow-ups. And this is how it looks like for the employee. All content elements, such as videos, articles, or events, can be assigned based on the needs of the target group. So instead of distributing every piece of information to everyone, you have the opportunity to cut through the noise and only highlight what's relevant. This can even include key metrics that showcase how the transformation is progressing based on the feedback we collected, providing the perfect space for you to share what's happening next. By frequently reaching out to employees facing organizational transformation, you can, on the one hand, create a data set that lets you adopt an agile approach, meaning continuous reevaluation on where you are in order to maximize the impact of your next move. On the other hand, employees are directly involved in the change process, not only by providing feedback, but rather understanding what's relevant and why things are happening. Now, after we saw the perspective of an employee affected by the changes of Horizon 2020, let's have a look at the dashboard guiding the transformation team. Right from the start, PulseShift provides me, as the project manager, with an overview of the key metrics such as change awareness or necessity, as well as information on the feedback process and any running pulse checks. Using the alert colors, our attention is automatically guided towards communication effectiveness, since some improvement is apparently needed in that regard. So let's drill down a little bit more. The visualization has been optimized to bring feedback data in context of what is taking place. Therefore, important milestones or project phases can be highlighted, such as the early pilot stage of Horizon 2020, where only employees in Germany have been introduced to the new process landscape. Depending on how your transformation is structured, we can segment the data in different ways. Analyzing communication effectiveness by job group, for instance, shows us that we had some low scores in the early stages of the pilot, but improved significantly since then. However, PulseShift doesn't want you to manually look for important insights. That's why we bring the most relevant findings to your attention right after the pulse duration is closed. In this example, the system highlighted a negative trend within one of our job groups and even outlined that the timeliness of our communication is probably causing it. These analytical insights basically form the agenda of the Horizon 2020 project team meetings, putting the spotlight on what to focus on.